Hello everybody, I hope you are doing fine and well. This is Golo and right now I'm here with my friend Mr. Asad.
Hello everyone.
And we are at Hirabari driving track. So we will make this video which will be beneficial for us as well if someone else will come in the future and they want to know and they have a test here. So we have a test after 2 days. So in future somebody else will have a test so they can find this video on YouTube, and I'm sure this video will be helpful for those to understand the track. So first we will visit the track A. They have 3 tracks. So first we will cover track A. We will walk on the track and we will see what kind of things they have on the track A, and we will complete the whole track A. Okay, should we start?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start from this parking and we'll go straight.
From parking. Here is the map.
Here is the map.
Show them.
Here is the map. So we will start from this location right now. This is the parking.
From parking.
So we are starting from parking and then we'll start moving forward. Let's go. So we'll come on track 2, like line 2. We should call it line. Okay, so right now we are moving on line 2. So we will go with the normal speed. Run
A little bit fast.
faster.
Not fast. Too much. It's okay. At this point we have to look at Maggie.
Yeah, we have to look at this point.
Right.
We have to check this way, and we have to make sure if there is no car.
The track is clear. Then you
can move.
Here the sign is for pedestrian crossing, so you have to be careful.
Yes.
You should slow down your car.
Yeah, and also at the same time you should be looking on your side. You should be checking this way if everything is okay, no car is coming, and you have to check here, Migi Hedari. If there is no person on the track, then you have to move forward. At this point you have to give the indicator. At this point you will turn on your left indicator, because according to this board you have to stop here. So you will give indicator before arriving, before coming near to this board.
You have to stop at this signal.
Exactly here you have to stop
for few seconds.
Yeah, for a few seconds. Then you will move on. And here at this point you will start your left indicator.
Left indicator, because now you are going to move in line 1.
Normally we are supposed to be on line 1, but it's under maintenance, so that's why our original line is line 1, but we were on line 2, so we will come on our original line after this point.
So now we are in line 1.
We are on line 1 now. We will speed up a little bit. We have to check this way if there is any car or something coming from here. If there is no car, we have to move. And at this point we have to stop, right? Check the map.
No, we have to go straight.
We have to go straight.
Yes.
But we must keep checking.
Yes,
on.
We have to check. We have to keep looking at the bridge.
At the bridge. And if there is nothing on the bridge, we have to be on the same line. And
now in front of us there is an obstruction coming.
Yes.
So we have to turn our signal right.
Yes.
And change our line from line 1 to line 2.
Yes, we'll turn on the indicator and then we will move.
But before moving, you have to look 3 points.
Yes.
Center, right, and back.
Center,
and
right.
Then you move on your right.
Right.
And at this point, when you are crossing the obstruction, you have to turn the left indicator.
You have to turn on left indicator, right.
And keep looking at center, left, and back.
Yes.
And now you change your line.
So at this point, you will look center and here, and also you have to check if there is anybody or any car or anything from this bridge. And you have your left indicators on. At this point still you have to keep it on, right?
Yeah, now turn it off.
We will turn it off here. At this point we will turn off the left indicator.
So from this point, you have to speed up your car.
Speed up. 50 kilometer per hour.
50 kilometer.
50 kilometer per hour. Let's go. We have to make it 50 kilometer per hour. Fast, fast, fast. Let's 50 kilometer per hour. It's 30. It's 30. It's only 30. Make it 50. Matte, chatlo matte. So this is the only point where you have to show them the speed. You will show them that you are also good in driving while in speed. So at this point, when you are exactly at the center of this road, in this main road, you have to turn on your left indicator.
Right indicator.
Oh yes, right indicator, sorry.
Right indicator for, because the obstruction is coming again.
Yes.
So like before giving the indicator,
Yeah.
you have to look your right
Yes.
and your center and back.
Center, right and back. You have to check.
When everything is clear, then you move in your
Then you move in on
line two.
Line 2. After coming on line 2, you will turn on your left indicator again.
You
Because
see, this is the obstruction.
these are the obstacles.
Obstacles. And after crossing them, you have to look on your center,
Center,
and
left
back.
and back. Center, left and back. If there is nothing, you can come on.
line 1 on your track again.
Yeah, you are on your track again.
Now you have to change your line again for the next.
At this
Next
point, I
turn?
think you will turn on the indicator.
Yes, at this point you have to turn your indicator.
Right indicator.
Right indicator. After looking, center, right and back
Center, right and back. If there is nothing, then you can move, switch
in your line 2.
line 2.
At this point we have to change.
At this point,
Yeah, like
Okay.
before, in front of,
parking.
almost in front of
So
parking.
here, exactly here, at this
Exactly
point,
here you have to change your
line,
line.
and then you have to keep on straight on line 2. So at this point, you have to check this way.
And turn your signal to right.
Turn your signal to right.
Because our next turn is right. So, and after the right turn, we again have to move the right turn. So you have to be in the second line. So you can change your line easily.
So here at this point, you have to check in the front. If there is nothing, no car at the front, it means you are allowed to move on this track. तो इस पॉइंट पे जस्ट फ्रंट देखना है ना,
Yes.
राइट we don't need to take
No,
right.
because we are already in the first lane.
Yes.
So now we are on the first lane. Here we have to, like before coming at this point, you have to turn your signal right, and then.
But it depends. You have to check the signals over there. There will be signals. If it is green, then you can keep on moving. If it's red, then you have to stop and wait for the signal to turn green.
You have to be careful for pedestrian also.
Yes.
So
So at this point, you will look
Hidari and Migi.
Migi, you will look Hidari, and again you will look Migi,
Migi.
and
then move on.
then you will move
on the green signal.
on the green signal. Yes, exactly, on the green signal.
And if the car in front of you is coming, like the signal is open, you have to wait here
You have to wait
until
here.
your green signal is open, green right signal is open.
Yes.
Then you can move.
Then you have to
Then
be on
because our
track
next
one.
next move is left signal, left turn. So we have to be on the line 1.
Yes, but at this point again there is a zebra crossing, so you must have to check Migi, Hidari, and again Migi. If it's okay, then move on. So one thing is important at this point, like at all the points, you must be close to this solid line all the time.
Yes. From the end of this corner,
Yeah. At this point, you would slow down. You slow your car.
your signal is turned on already
Yes.
on the left side.
You have to move on left, so you have to check this way. If there is any car or anything, you have to look this way, and also you have to check Migi, Hidari, and again Migi. And if there is no car, then you can move on. But keep your tire close to this solid line.
Giri giri.
Giri giri.
Now our next turn is the main point S. You see that C. C is the point we have
Yes.
to go there.
Now we have to go to that C. But at this point, we will not turn on any indicator.
because we are on our track.
Yes, we are on our track, but still, because maybe the next person will think we will go on this main road, so we have to wait for the indicator.
And we have to keep looking on our
Yes,
left side.
we have to check on this main road if there is no car or anything.
No one is coming, then you move and slow down your car at this point. And
So at this point, you can turn on, after crossing half of the main road, you can turn on your left indicator, because the next is the S turn. So we will enter an S turn. At this point, you have to be really close to this solid line.
there is a C board. You can remember here
C board.
that this is the point you have to turn left. So before, when you look at the C, you have to turn your signal left so you can move easily. So this is
signal
the
is already
S turn.
on. Left signal is already
Yes,
on
like,
from half of
exactly,
the main road.
exactly.
So this is a S curve.
This is the S curve. You have to be very careful at this point. This is the toughest part
Yes.
in the whole.
So you really have to be careful. Your tire should not go on this footpath.
So here we have our next turn is right. So we have to turn our indicator, right indicator, and there is a Tumare sign.
There is a Tumare sign.
So you must have to stop here, and after stopping here, you have to look on your right.
Look
left,
on your
and then
right.
right again.
Look on your left, and again right. If
And
it's
now
okay, move on. So at this point, you have to be on
Your
this
left
side of the road, on your left side. So at this point, you have to turn on your right indicator, because we have to move, because now we covered the S curve. Next we will go to the L curve. So you have to turn on your right indicator. So at this
You
point,
have to stop here.
I think
wait.
there is no Tumare, no stop.
No stop. If everything is clear, you
Yeah,
have to
just-
keep looking on the right, left, right.
Yes, we don't need to stop. We have to be like careful. We should check. We should slow down and check on our right, on our left, again on our right, and then if it's okay,
then move on. You have to be on the first track,
First track.
so you cannot turn the car. You have to turn your car from
From this
here,
point.
from this point.
here. And
then
then,
you suddenly move at this point.
yes.
And then again you turn your left signal because our next move is on the left.
Exactly.
And you have to be on the close to the line.
Close to the solid line. And at this point, I think at this point you have to stop, right?
Not
Because-
stop.
No stop.
You have to careful.
You have to carefully check left, first right, then left, again right.
And then you have also to be careful about your back. If
Yes.
there is a cyclist is coming,
Right.
then you have to be on.
You
be
have to check
careful
your back.
on the left side.
Right. So
this
here
is the
you will turn
L
on your left signal indicator.
Again left signal.
Yes. Actually, this is a very critical point. When you are here, you must have to check on your back.
Back.
If there is any bicycle or any person is coming from this way, so you have to be really careful at this point, and then you have to move on.
Whenever you are turning to left, you must have to look on the center, left and back.
Center, left, and back. Exactly. So
And now this is
you will
the-
not go in this. You will skip it, because can you see the solid line? It means you don't have to go.
Now here is again C.
So,
So you have to look at here.
C, and you will enter in the L curve now, right?
Yes. L.
We should call it L or Z.
L.
L. So here,
Basically, it start from here. L.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a L curve.
You have to be careful from these bars.
Yes. You
You-
don't. Your car should be away from these.
Yes, you should not touch your car here. Now here is the Tomare again, so you have to stop
You
here
have
again.
to. You have to stop at this point.
But this is a blind spot. You cannot see on your left and right.
So this
So-
is called blind spot. These two, because we cannot see properly. This is a blind
So
spot.
you have to. We have to be careful. We have to slowly move on.
slowly.
move on and keep looking on the right and left.
Turn right.
And when
check
everything
left.
is clear,
Again, you will come here.
then we will come here.
Check again. Check right. Check left. If there is okay,
Yes.
no car, move on.
Then we move on our second line.
Second line, because our next turn is towards the railway junction. So railway junction is actually on the right
Right
side.
side.
So that's why we will be on the second track.
We have to turn on the indicator, right?
Yes. So we have to stop here because the bike is coming.
Now it's clear.
Now it's clear. We can move.
Move on. Keep watching on your right. And here you come.
You will come on second
track.
second track, right?
Second track.
Second line. We should call it
Line
line. So we are on the second line. So at this line, when we are second line, we should try to close to be near this solid line. And near this solid line, the tire should be approximately near like this, near my shoes. And then we have to keep on moving forward. And next is we have to go towards the railway track.
Railway track. Please show them number 3.
So it's
You can
on
remember here from this 3.
3.
From here you have to turn on your right. So at this point you should turn on your right indicator.
Indicator.
And then there is a turning point. If there is an coming car coming, if there is a car coming from front, you have to wait here.
Yes.
If your way is clear, then you have to turn from this arrow, and
You turn from this arrow. This is the arrow, and you have to be on the second line.
second line.
The reason that you should be on the second line, because next you have to turn on your right.
Yes, and you can from here you can turn on your indicator. Right.
You can
indicator.
turn on your right indicator, and this is a railway.
This
you
is
can-
the railway track, and
So you must have to stop. Railway means you must have to stop. If there is no Thumare, still you have to stop, and then
from here when you stop, you have to turn your window down.
lower
Lower down your window, and you have to listen the alarm signal. If the alarm is on, you have to wait. If the alarm is off, then you can move forward.
Also, like, you have to try to listen any sound or something. Also, you have to look on your right
And left.
on your left, and again on your right. If it's okay, then move on. No turn,
And
move
your
on.
indicator is already on, and you can see the signal is on now. You can see that it's a red indicator, so you have to stop here. You must have to stop here
Yes,
on the right blinking indicator,
yes, you will stop here.
and you look on your sides, left, right, and then you move forward.
So actually, you have to look both, like the zebra crossing, people, also the cars,
Exactly.
and then move on.
And from this arrow signal, you should turn your right
You should turn your right. You can see
on
this.
second line, because
signal.
our next move is on the right,
Right.
so you have to be on the second line.
Yes. So here you have to, like, speed up a little bit. You should not be too slow, and you should not be too fast. A normal speed.
And
And-
keep as much left as you can,
On
but don't go on the line.
yes, near the solid line. You should be like near the solid line. So at this point, you will check your signal in front of you, and you have to check the zebra crossing if there are any people coming. So right now the signal is red. It means you have to
Wait.
wait here. So we are waiting for the signal to turn green. So now it's
the
green.
signal is green, so we will move on.
Yes, we'll move on. At this point, we have to turn on our right.
Right, and on the first line,
Yes.
because our next turn is left,
Yes.
so we have to be on our first line, and after crossing this signal, you can turn your left indicator on.
Definitely. And you have to be on your left side as much as possible. At this point, you have to look on your right, you have to check on your left, again on your right.
And then keep moving, and you also have to look at back whenever you are
Yes,
moving
you have to also look
left.
back.
You must have to look back side of your left side of your car.
And if they are okay, we have to move on. So here we have to turn on, we have to be straight, we have to go straight, right?
Yes, you were right. We have a
We have,
second here.
yes. So at this point you have to check on your left side. If there is no car or anything, you have to keep on moving forward. Lala, मुझे याद था. I was sure there is obstacle over
पता
there.
नहीं किधर चला गया गाड़ी.
लाला, हम active रहते हैं.
Yeah, we should be active all the time.
Yes, all the time. So at this point you will turn on your right indicator.
And you have to change your line.
Yeah, because you can see this VLC player. So at VLC players, you have to avoid these VLC players, and you will come on line 2.
Yes. And after crossing this signal, you have to turn your left indicator.
Left indicator.
Look left.
You have
and
to
your back.
you have to check your center mirror, your left,
mirror.
and also at your back. If there
Or
is no
cyclist.
cyclist, bicycle, or anything, if there's nothing, you can turn on your
Left.
left track and try to be near this
Line.
solid line.
Then you have to turn the left indicator again, because
Left
we are
indicator.
moving. Our next turn is left.
Left. So this is one of the critical point. that when you are turning on your left, you should try to be as close as possible to this solid line.
And before turning, you must look at the left side and the back of the.
Yes, you also need to check your center, left, and your back side.
And then you have to come here, and after completely turning, you have to turn right indicator on,
Yes.
and because you have to change your line.
Yes, our next turn will be on our right, so we have to change our light, and at this point we have to turn on the right indicator.
And after looking back of our right side,
Yeah.
like center,
Center,
right, and then
right
back,
and back, center, right and back.
then we will move in forward.
So at this
Second
point, right before this
Before this tower,
tower, you have to
you have to be on your you have to change your line.
change your line and be on line 2.
Be on line 2 and stay on the right side of
Stay as much as possible near this solid
right
solid
side.
line, solid white line.
And then again turn on your right indicator.
Yes.
At this point,
turn
on your right indicator.
right indicator.
And look at the signal. What if it's green? Right now it's green, so we can move on.
Yes,
And,
you will slow down. You will check the people,
Right.
if there is anyone coming. If there's nothing and signal is
green,
green, you can move on.
and we can still move on this green.
Yeah, we can
arrow.
still move on when we have this green.
At this point, you have to move from this arrow and
From-
stay on
This arrow,
the second track.
second track. But at this point, we also have to check left,
And
right, again left,
and
and move on.
again right.
Again right.
Now at the end of this road, you have to, like before coming to the end, you have to turn your right indicator, and you have to wait here. Not actually wait, you have to keep looking on your right, left and right.
Because there
If
is no
there
Thumare.
is, yes,
Yeah.
there is no Thumare, you don't have to stop here.
Stop. Yeah.
But if the car is coming, then you must stop, wait
Yeah.
for the other cars to pass, because it's their first right.
Yeah.
And when you are clear, you can move
You
forward.
can move.
And from this arrow, you have to come to our right lane and the first side, because right now there is a construction ongoing,
Yeah.
so we cannot go on the
First line.
first line, so we have to move here.
We have to be on the second line. But if there is no construction, we should supposed to be on the first line. But there is construction, so we are on second line.
So right now there is again this Narashi signal,
Yeah.
and this time you don't have to wait here.
This time you don't need to stop. Move on.
This is our map saying.
Yes. At this point, you can turn on your left indicator on.
Because you are going to change your line.
Yes. So because here the construction is going to end, we should be on our first line again, the original line. चला रिकॉर्ड करने में मसला तो नहीं है.
Wait here. Okay. So right now we are on our first track. Now we have to change. We have to move on the bridge.
Yeah.
They call it a mountain,
Mountain. Yama.
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 But for us, it's a bridge.
Sugiba.
So-
Yama this.
So we have to turn our left indicator from here.
Yes. And we should try to be close to this solid line as much as possible.
Yes.
So at this
So
point,
here is the bridge.
we have to check on our center, on our left, also
And back.
back. If there is nothing, no bicycle, nothing, you can move on towards the bridge.
Now the signal is saying it's a 10% incline,
Yeah.
and you have to move upward. And this is the point, Panto
So at this, exactly at this yellow pole,
you have to stop
you have to stop.
and pull up your handbrake.
Handbrake. And you
Yeah.
have to wait for
5 seconds.
5 seconds. And
And,
then you should accelerate till 1.
Yes, till accelerator number 1.
Yeah.
You have to reach at number 1 point in accelerator, and then after reaching there, you have to pull down your
Handbrake.
handbrake and move forward.
Move forward.
And at this point, when you reach a 8% decline,
Yeah.
when you are declining, you have to move your gear to D2.
Yes. At this point, you will not stop, but you will change your gear from D to
D
2.
D to D2.
Yeah.
D1 to D2.
Yeah.
Well, like in the whole this test, we were on our D1, but at this point we will move we will change our gear to
No, there is
D2.
no D1. It's only D.
It's only D. Okay, we will change to D2.
We'll change.
We are like giving
We'll
the
change it
instruction.
to 2. Only 2. There is no sign D2. Only 2.
Okay, 2.
2. We'll change
Like
to
this
2.
is the transmission of automatic car.
Yeah.
Like if you are giving the test for manual, you have to manage your speed accordingly.
Yes.
But this is this test is for transmission, automatic transmission.
Automatic transmission. So next is there is a Thumare. It means you must.
You like before coming to this Thumare point, you have to turn your left indicator, because the front car coming from the front, they must think about that you will move on the right.
Yeah.
So you have to turn your left indicator and
Left
wait
indicator.
here.
And you'll wait here. And at this point, when you stop, you have to change from 2. Your gear from 2 to D.
Yes.
And then if there is okay, you will check on your center, right, and back. If it's okay, you can move on.
Move on.
Do we also need to check back here at this point, or we don't need?
Yes.
We need.
Because the cars may be coming from the bridge.
Okay. So then. we
And
will
then
go-
you can at this point you can turn off your indicator, left indicator,
Yeah, you should.
and change it to right one, because
Yes.
now we have to change the lane.
So you will turn on at this point. You will turn on your right indicator, and then at this point you will come on line 2. So this is we are at line 2.
There.
No. Yes. But the turning.
I was also confused.
The changing point is correct. Are you sure? We should change the line
We should change here actually.
here
Yes. Like
Okay.
we changed earlier,
earlier.
but we have to change a little bit late.
It means exactly where
Because
we are
we
going.
have to change this lane at the point where the L locates.
Yeah.
So at the L point we have to change our lane, and like before S point we will move on the
So
right.
here we will check in our front. If there is no car,
Yes,
then we can
move from here. Remember this number 2,
number 2.
and we have to move here, and we have to come to our line track 1.
Track
line
1. Because our next turn is going to be
Left.
the left turn, so we will come on track line 1, and we should try to be near the solid line.
Yes.
So our next thing that we have to stop or not depends on the signal in front of us. So as we can see, the signal is red. It means we must have to stop, and we have to check on our, for the people on our this zebra crossing. We have to
Yes.
check
When the
our
signal is green, you have to keep looking on your right, left, and right.
right, left, right.
And now the signal is green, so we can move on.
At
And
this
now
point-
we have to
So this is a critical point. After crossing this zebra crossing, you must again you have to check this, because now the people will be also crossing this zebra crossing. So you have to check your left. You have to check your left, right, and left,
yes.
and then
Keep
move on.
moving. Stay on the left side. Now there is again yellow blinking signal, so you have to be careful about the pedestrians here and the cars surrounding you.
Yeah. You should be slow here
Yeah.
and check for the people on this zebra crossing.
Don't stop on this yellow blinking line, but stay slow as much as possible.
Yes, if there's somebody is coming, some car is coming, then you should stop. You should check for the people on this zebra crossing, as well as you should check for the cars on this road as well as on this road. So right now there is no car, so move on. So the next thing,
After coming to this point near the signal, you should turn your right indicator on, and
also check for the people, because this is a zebra crossing. You will check on your left, you'll check on your left, right and left. Pehle right.
right, left, right, and
Okay.
now your signal is on, so you are going to change your line
Yes,
from
your indicators on.
line 1 to line 2,
Line 2.
because our next turn is right,
Yes,
and stay as right as possible.
close to this solid.
Give way to the other car. And at the end of this road, keep looking at your right, left and right.
Yes, you should check here
After looking
on your
both
first on your right, then your left, again your right. If
And
there are no
then-
cars, move on.
move on from this arrow to the first line.
First line. And from here you can also see the Prague, the view of Prague. Kind of Prague.
Kind of problem.
Miss you, Prague.
Okay, now we are coming back to our parking,
Yes.
and
So at this point you will turn on your left indicator
yes,
Because
turn
you have
on your
to
left
go
indicator.
towards the parking, because we are going to end, the track is end,
And
about
now
to
you
go
can
end.
cross this white line.
Yes,
In the whole test you cannot cross this line except here.
except at this point.
And
At this
from
point
here-
you will turn on your right indicator.
exactly, right indicator, because your parking is on the right, so the car like after you, they will know that you are turning to the right, so they will be careful. So we have started from which point?
We started from maybe 6, I guess.
Okay,
Or any
any parking, but from where you started you have to come back at the same point,
Yes.
like 5, 4, 6, 7.
So if for example we start from 6, so you will come here and then
stay as left as possible
near this
in this
solid
white
line.
line, and you have to stop at this cone.
Yes, at this cone, the cars, there is a, what do you call it, antenna in the car,
Antenna.
and the antenna should be exactly in front of this,
Your car antenna and this cone should be aligned with each
aligned
other.
with each other.
So this is your parking, and
And-
this is the end of track A.
Track A.
And for
So
the
if you got track A, you are passed.
exactly. And for the track B, please follow our next video.
Next video.
And best of luck.
Yeah.
Good luck.
And actually the track, we will not cover the track C, because there is not so much difference in track A and track
Yes,
C.
track A and track C are almost different, like
Almost same.
almost same.
Yeah.
Like in track A, we first go to S
S curve.
curve, then L curve, then railway track.
Yeah.
But in
C.
track C, there is S curve, then railway curve, and then L curve. So there is just a little bit difference. If you just look at the track, we will put the maps in this video.
Yeah.
You can take the prints and check the difference between each other.
So next we will do the track
B.
B. Track B is a little bit
Different.
different and little bit harder one. So next we'll cover track B.
Okay.